Nehessä huuta hiukutan huuta riskodan huutan ara. Elohla huutan session huuta huuda huuna hikuna. Neha tuktuhalla hukutusun kushusha huuka kai hautualla ja kutorikishon andi ar udalla hanuna hakura hanurala. Sensusha hukuda ja kunayatuna hanunara. Women, this is Galactica speaking for West. West Galactican speaking, they called heaven. There is humans, many words that heavenly speaking, they called Galactica or galactic oceans, wordings, many words. Your speaking in this what you called thing is nothing. It's blasphemous. But the speaking we know is not. Humans. Do you see that bird on the thumbnail called picture? It is a bird I have. A bird I have called Unison. It's called Unison. It is mixed of peacock, phoenix, adarna, stork, and pigeons. And there's a white loof, dove. It's all mixed with it. In spirit, in soul, in the soul from heaven, from galactic, we have made it. It's like a plant. One plant to the other, we take branches to put them together to like when you plant a bougainville called bougainvillea, and you can put many colors as you want in one row, they called root. This is what we did to this bird. Like in a branch, you can take, like in this branch, you have red color, and you can get another white color in the other branch and put it together to become one fruit, one stand, or what you called one tree with different colors. This is what we did to the bird too. It's like a plant to us that we've made. You know, humans, it was like, what happened was this. Pair. We are pair when we made it. All in pair. Me, Aya, they called Yahweh. Was called Yahweh. You call him Yahweh. Yahweh. And then Brother Michael and his pair. And then Uncle Gob and his pair. We're like that. In pair, humans. When we made the bird, it was all about in pair. As it is the meaning of unison. Unison means whole. Whole. Unison is the symbol of zero. Angels. That's what it means. Angels inside of the gamma. The round called Elden Rings is what it is too. We made it to offer it to my Papa. You know? We made it to offer it to them. And when he saw it, was so galak, called rejoice, galak. He was happy, like more than just the feeling of that. A feeling of you know, when David received my spirit, he started to sing and dance. He sings his heart out. It was adorned. It's a symbol of me when I have adorned. The other day when I came out as white with golden sash. I have adorned for the coming of the Lala. Lala is the spirit of my Aya. He has more than what you can imagine, humans. So as we have, if you have been working. Humans, the time is near. Papa is sa hulay ko rahya ko daharo nara. Isuray di ko lay din na ito na ha ko dahya nara. Nidawat ala yaw na hasra huta kerhuna herala. Di tuna du hai haguna isahu garuhunara. He wanted you all to know that I am not now Lord, but it's still forbidden to tell you what reward I have received. It is my brother Michael now is been appointed as Lord. He is the new Lord. Ni harahon sa hauda hula he agunara husa gunara. Itu hula he aguna husa na hudana hunara. Because it was him who have the idea of unison. Unison means, like a dream catcher. Unison means a dream catcher. Wherever the beings are, he will come to catch them. It is what it means. Also the meaning of the net. Unison, that no matter what happens, we will unite. We will unite. It's like when we are being captured by the rays, they will be surrounded. We will hold our hand each other while they are right in the middle. Big wings until you receive your own. Because in the beginning, you are with it. Colorful wings before you left us. Nena hugado hunay suro hunay gura hunay gurara. To sa huday galalori hara hagunara. Humans, it's been a sacrifice. Bird Adarna means a sacrifice. Love. Every night, when they put one of my spirit into that, when they put me in the Bird Adarna, they let me off where I found the place to perch on, under the volcano. Was under the volcano where I found stuff to gather my senses and turn to a human. Because that is where I found the golds that we used to bury in the land from Martians to become a foundation of the world. But now, humans, the world does not have any more of that. That's why it's crumbling. Because golds are almost over, and anyway, there is none. Humans, it's almost. They say, it's. They won't let me tell. They don't want me to tell you. Translate it into what you understand, because the world is crumbling. Humans. Gold is a foundation of what you called earth. But since humanity is greed, it's crumbling. Even rubies are only few left. That is what's the problem of the world, humans. This is why Father told me to don't want to delay anything, because the world, humans, I cannot say it. That is the greed of humanity. Golds, mining, under the earth is all holes, humans. Wherever you go, it's all holes. I've been checking. My angels went through. It's all over, humans. The golds that were used to bury when we were Anunnakis, it's almost gone. It was there to become a foundation of the world, for it not to crumble. But after I saw it before, I have received my truth. It was scary. It was so scary, humans. What I have seen from my father are nothing alike of what you've been through in life. Humans, the world is going to crumble, and you will all feel into the land of Nostradamus. Nostradamus is a whole of a big world. A world. I cannot even talk about it because he's still angry. Sisahay ganaho ganaho na he gunahay sa gunara. Ladro ho darro ko sa nanihana gunara.